Hello there, I'm Lokesh, and today I will get you started with your ZEISS ScanPort operated with ZEISS INSPECT. In this session, I will explain the basics of our powerful software, ZEISS INSPECT. Together with ZEISS ScanPort, it is your go-to solution for highly accurate automated measurements. As always, feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. The ZEISS Quality Suite provides a convenient platform to access various services and software variants from ZEISS. It grants access to additional technical resources such as e-learning, training courses, tech guides, and inspection apps. Some examples include apps to check welds or to revoke plastic parts. Furthermore, the ZEISS Quality Suite informs you when a new software version is available. Now that you are aware of all the ZEISS Quality Suite has to offer, let's click on the ZEISS Inspect. The ZEISS Inspect software opens with Start screen where you will see a few classic options. These options include creating new projects, opening an existing or recently used project, or accessing the Get Start software guide. Additionally, if you wish to scan the same object several times in a high throughput situation, you can open the project template directly, which will make repeated inspection effortless. Now that you are familiar with the Start screen, let's start a new project. You will see that the software is divided into different workspaces on the vertical ribbon on the left side of the screen. The workspaces are dedicated to specific tasks depending on the system you're choosing. For ZEISS ScanPort, we will see the dedicated workspace for scanning an object, inspection, reporting, and mesh editing. As we want to scan an object with ZEISS ScanPort, let us go to the respective workspace. This workspace contains all the functions needed for acquiring data, moving the ZEISS ScanPort access. When the ZEISS ScanPort is connected to the PC and powered on, you can initialize the sensor in the software here on the right side. Every workspace has its main toolbar with all the main functions you need for manual scanning. With the ZEISS ScanPort connected, an extra toolbar on the bottom of the screen will appear. This toolbar enables us to control the ScanPort. In the middle, we can set the number of rotations for the rotation tilt. On the left side of this, we can set an angle for the tilt axis and adjust the working distance of the sensor to the part. When we have set everything, we can start the scanning sequence by clicking here. Lastly, there is a 3D view. Here you will see the measuring data becoming visible. This shows you the basics of operation functions of ZEISS ScanPort. In the next getting started videos, you will see that we implemented a workflow assistant which guides you step by step through a complete scanning project. You will see that no programming is required. With that, we have a one-click operated independent and easy automation solution. All of this makes scanning with ZEISS ScanPort even more intuitive. As we come back to the workspace on the left side of the screen, it becomes clear that this also has a certain logic. After scanning, we can go to the inspection workspace. It houses all the tools and functions that allows us to evaluate and inspect 3D data. Some interesting tasks you can perform in this workspace including taking measurement, checking alignment, and visualizing the actual versus nominal dimensions of the part. In this open project, you see some of those inspections. Once the inspection is done, we can move into the report workspace here. You will find out our built-in report generator. As you work through your inspections, this is where you will see all your inspection reports and data. The ZEISS Inspect software features a convenient built-in presentation mode, allowing you to transition directly from your office desk to your meeting rooms without needing to export or reformat your results. Additionally, with just few clicks, you can export your results to a common PDF file in a tidy and professional manner. Lastly, if mesh editing is needed, you can go to the mesh editing workspace. We will dig out deeper into how to scan your first part and perform inspections in the upcoming video. As you can see, with ZEISS Inspect, you can measure, inspect, and create the report you need. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any questions about your software, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.